So I just want to show you guys the knots. These are the knots right after I bleached them. I used the BW2 bleach and 30 oil developer, and I also went in with the purple shampoo just to tone them, and this is how it came out. So when you get the wig, it comes with combs on the inside, and then you get quite a bit of lace. And then my favorite part is that it comes with an adjustable strap, so you can wear it as a glueless wig, and you can even make it as tight as you want, and it has nice stretch to it, and I really love that. So then once you put the wig on your head, this is what it looks like. Again, I really did bleach those knots like a lot, and to the point where it got on the hair. Now the hair is a 1B27 color, so this is the 27 color at the end. It's nice and ombre, 150% density, and yeah, the hairline did come pre-plucked. But I went ahead and plucked it just a little more to my liking because I didn't want my hairline to be too thick with this actual shape. But you get it laced from ear to ear, and it comes with small baby hairs that you can either keep or cut off. I really like how this wig is just nice and natural looking. And it did come with a middle part. So now I'm going to go ahead and use some alcohol, and I'm just going to wipe that makeup off of my forehead just to clean it to prep for the install. And I'm using my Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and I feel like this really does like freeze whatever sweat or anything maybe on your head, and it just makes sure that the wig does not move, especially once you put the glue down. I feel like using this and then the combination of the Got To Be Glued gel is like the best. So I'm going to go ahead and use the black one, and I'm just doing dots all over my forehead where I'm going to put that lace wig, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the end of a comb and just smooth it out that way. And I seen Erica J do this on her channel, so I'm just following what she did. You guys, I'm not an expert, like I rarely do this on my own. So I'm going in with a blow dryer to get the glue nice and tacky and dry enough for us to put the lace wig down. It's kind of like as if you were to apply some eyelashes. You wouldn't put your eyelashes on if the glue was still wet. So it's the same concept. So then I'm just going in and making sure that everything is nice and dry and that everything is sticking to my forehead, and I'm taking that comb and I'm just raking it through to make sure that the glue is really into that lace. So once you get the wig dry enough, you want to take a comb or a brush and just move the hair back, and then you want to cut off the ear tabs. So I'm cutting off the ear tabs now because I just want to make sure that I'm able to get the lace to lay how I want it to, because the hair is shaped the way it is. It's kind of laying on my edges, and I definitely don't want to put any glue on my edges. So yeah, so I just cut the tabs and then I pulled it really forward, and now I'm going in with my blow dryer and I put it on cool air because I learned that when you use cool air, it takes longer, but it's a much better process if you're a beginner and you know you aren't used to how things are when it's really sticky, or you know you may do things too quick or too fast. So then I'm going in with an eyebrow razor and I'm just using that to take off some of the lace. I didn't want to take off too much at one time, so this is just how I do it. Like I go little by little, and then I use little tiny scissors. So yeah, you guys, so that's how I applied this wig. Back to the task on hand. Today I'm showing you guys this lace wig from Affordhair.com. I don't know if you guys can see the box because I know my lights are pretty bright. But yeah, so they sent me their 1B 27-inch unit, and I believe this is 20 inches, almost to like my waistline. And just to get a ballpark, I am 5'3". As far as the quality of this hair goes, I did bleach the knots, I did pluck the frontal, pluck the entire wig, like where there was lace, just so I can have the wig lay down pretty flat. So before I plucked it, I didn't get much shedding. I run my fingers through the hair now. It does shed quite a bit. So I don't know if you guys can see, and this is a small part of the hair, so I'm not sure if that's because I've been cutting it and I've been plucking it, but yeah. So honestly, 13x4 lace is really easy for me to use because it literally, I will show you guys a b-roll of towards the end of the video. I'll show you guys videos and pictures of me putting it on, as well as me bleaching the knots and everything. But it came like here to here on me. Say is because of the way this unit is shaped, I want to say, like, it lays very flat. Like, it lays very flat, extremely flat. So the hairline is a natural hairline, so it came pre-plucked, but I did pluck it a little more. So it's like a widow's peak kind of thing going on, and then it goes inward, then out, then in. So moving on, the box, I got the box that says Affordhair right on the front. It's just like, you know, their website here and then their logo. So then the wig came inside of a net, which also came inside of this plastic. I also got a pack of wig caps, which was very considerate because during this time it is very hard to get the supplies that you need to do what you need to do. So yeah. And then it also came with these lashes. Lashes are actually really cute and I will be wearing them. And look how cute that is. But yeah, it's really cute. I love these lashes. But yeah, so that's what you get in the box. Quite a bit of parting space. So here all the way back, and the track starts here, so you get all of this parting space, which is a whole lot, and then you get from here all the way here, so you get quite the bit of the lace. Let me move this a bit. So you get a quite bit of lace, and you can customize it and do like a half up half down style. But yeah, you can do really anything with this type of lace. Yeah. But I really do like how the color is. I've never done this type of color before. I've done like a honey blonde, which, you know, every girl has done, and I've done highlights, but I've never done like straight up like, oh, she's a blondie now. Like, I feel like a bad bitch. Really love it. Purred.
Purr.
But yeah, you guys, like, I really love it. And like, do you see the body? Say I'm no expert in hairstyling, anything. I just come to give y'all the tea. It's a really pretty color. And what would I rate this hair? I think I will rate this hair maybe like an 8 to 9 out of 10. I'm gonna tell you why. After the bleaching, after the plucking, after the cutting, the styling, after all that manipulation, I got a little bit of shedding. Because, you know, when you first do that, you have to really comb everything out, because if you don't, you're not going to know if it's the quality of the frontal or if it's what you did. So as far as the shedding on my end, I feel like it's from what I did, but we don't like shedding anyway. So yeah, that bumped it down to an 8. But if I didn't do that, then there would be no shedding. So that's where the 9 comes in. Now, what I will say is I'm really loving this color. Like, this color is so pretty. It's perfect for summer. It's perfect if you're somebody like me who does makeup looks and you want to like throw something on and, you know, shock the girls. Like, it's really pretty. The lace is pretty much, like, I'm looking at my phone camera right now, and honestly the lace is pretty much undetectable, and this is with my work, with my install. Now if it's undetectable with my install, then that means it's good lace. So yeah, the lace wasn't too thin or anything. The hair is pretty thick, so like, it's pretty thick. But yeah, so that's all I have for this unit. I believe it ranged from about $100 to about $150, depending on the density and the length you get. Again, this was 150 density. It was 1B27, so that means there's 1B at the top. 27 is ombre, and it is so nicely ombre, so blended, that it's just amazing. You can't even tell where it starts and stops. But yeah guys, so if you go ahead and click the link down below and use my coupon code, you'll get an extra 10% off your purchase. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Click the like button if you like my hair reviews. My hair reviews. I always get tongue tied. Click the like button if you like my hair reviews, and we will continue to make them. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.